Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Chappell Roan's look on Dress to Impress. I'm going to remove everything except for the accessory adjustments. For the hair, I use this in bangs only, 894820. No adjustments made. And then I use this hair in the same color, this hair in default, no adjustments made. I did make some adjustments on this one. Positioned the Y 0.58, Z 0.56, rotated the X to 0.24 and scaled it to 0.42. Selected the crown in BF, positioned the Y 0.61, Z 0.38, rotated the X to 0.39 and scaled it to 0.12. Then I am going to get this dress here in this color first, B73B50, and then in E9465, and then same for that. Then we are going to get this thing in that same color but in foil, and then we are going to get this glove from VIP in the first toggle, no fur, in that same color in foil as well. Then we're going to get these socks here, and we're going to select the high striped socks, and we're going to color it this pink, B73A68, and then we're going to get these shoes and we're going to color it EA4A85. And that is pretty much it. Really can add a necklace. Oh, and also like the fur thingy majiggy. I think I'm just going to color this color. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!